Hi, this is Eva, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to explain the most effective automated course selling system that I've used over the past 5 years of marketing online. Now, this strategy is radically different than anything I've seen anybody else do or teach online. I now have all of my high ticket clients, in fact, use only this because this one course selling system produces more consistent and automated sales than anything else I've ever tested. You are here now because you're ready for a better way to sell your digital products without selling your soul. Very important. And in the next 4 minutes, I will show you. Let me set you up for success today. It's no secret that funnels and automations are time consuming and complex, which is why when you hear the word funnels, you begin to think about this gigantic, complex thing in the back end of your business, right? But this is why I have condensed it into a very simple automated funnel that anybody can set up in 30 minutes. And no, this is not for make money niches. This is for literally anybody who wants to sell their knowledge online and earn money teaching what they know. One of my clients used this simple funnel for a nutrition course, and that course has now earned over 13 million naira in just January alone. You need an automated selling system if you want an online business that makes you money while you sleep. And the very first person who tested this simple course funnel that I'm about to share with you has now earned over $150,000 in automated online course sales. This automated system also allows you to make more money per customer, okay, without spending all day online, paying for ads, engaging endlessly, and doing unnecessary tasks that only drain your vital energy. Today, thanks to AI and automation tools, it has now become the most single important aspect of my online business. I have scrapped, okay, all other tactics and strategies. And in fact, I've gone all in since last year using this automated course selling strategy that I want to share with you. This simple automated course selling strategy that I'm about to explain to you is responsible for helping a recent client make more than 10 million in just 30 days. You are about to get it for yourself today. And this system continues to bring daily automated sales for myself and my clients, all from a single 3-part automated course selling system that works 24/7. So you don't have to. That means even while you are sleeping, you are making money. I call it the course funnel formula, and I'll explain why and how it works in just a minute. Listen, in a nutshell, this course funnel formula makes it so that you can launch your course profitably from the very beginning, and you consistently get sales every single week thanks to your course funnel, giving you more consistent cash flow and making your content creation efforts worth more and more to you every single month. Because with this system, every time that you post content, you generate leads and you make money on automation. Now, understand that this does not replace what you're currently doing right now with content or your social media. So it doesn't require you to do more work or spend more time online. Quite the opposite is actually what will happen. The course funnel formula is so simple, easy to set up, and once it's done, you never have to touch it again. That means your new course funnel will become your trusted ally in bringing sales every single week without you needing to be online all the time. It is especially helpful for those of you who are overwhelmed with yucky sales tactics that feel pushy. I know you don't want to feel like a sleazy salesperson and piss your audience off. And this is the most innovative way that I have found to sell your courses and digital products every day to your audience without selling at all. So you can call it, the sell without selling system. And because it is automated, you will earn money while you sleep from a single working course funnel, which I'm going to explain in a minute. And yes, this course funnel formula will work for you no matter how many followers you have, even if you lack tech skills, and even if you don't have a budget for ads. And whether you are just getting started, you haven't made any substantial income in a while, or your audience hasn't been buying, because I hear this all the time. Trust me, you can set up your own fully automated course selling system in less than an hour on a lazy afternoon. Your automated course funnel works to produce new leads and sales to keep your audience engaged with you, buying from you, and without you having to scroll endlessly online, looking for buyers or creating new offers from scratch, spending all day on Instagram or whatever social media tools you're using right now. You don't need to run paid ads to run the system. I mean, if you want to, you can, but all of my clients have made significant income just using their Instagram pages alone. You don't need to pay for shout outs or you slave away for sales. You don't don't need all of that. You don't need to do any of that time wasting nonsense with this method. The foundation of this system is that you can take your hands off the wheel. And this is very important so that you can let it sell for you round the clock. In a nutshell, we're going to take any digital course or products that you already have, and we're going to turn that product into an automated selling system that puts money in your bank while you sleep. I know you've heard me say while you sleep several times because, hey, I need you to understand that when this automated course selling system is set up, it will help you make money every single week and fill up the holes in your current marketing process and make your online income more steady and predictable, okay? The whole course funnel formula, it works to get more sales from your existing audience and add new leads to your email list every week while keeping your audience feeling served and engaged. That's a total win-win on both sides, okay? That's it. In other words, this is how you're going to create a course sales plan that works when you're not working. I'm talking about waking up daily to sales and alerts from your courses. It is the most effective way that I have found to launch just about any knowledge-based product online. I'm talking your coaching, your courses, your ebooks, your offers, your classes, anything. My clients have used this automated system to launch ebooks. They've launched online courses, coaching, and even membership communities. Now, if that sounds valuable for you and your business, which I know it already does, then I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to cover for you. I am going to go through this really quick for you, okay? First off, the course funnel formula is so very simple. It is almost going to seem basic to you. But here's the deal. I love the simple stuff, okay? And from experience, the simple stuff sells. It is exactly why my client has used this to earn over $60,000 in the first 60 days of her ebook launch, right? She literally just ran with it. And in the first 60 days, boom, $60,000. Another client used it and she generated more than 10 million naira in her first 30 days, all on automation using this system. She's still in shock as I'm recording this right now. Now, listen, a course funnel is made up of just 3 pieces. I'm going to break it down for you now. The first piece of your course funnel is your course buying list. This is the holy grail of the entire system. I'm going to get back to that. And then the second part is your course sales page. This is where the magic happens, okay, on your sales page. So for those of you who have been trying to sell a course and people are coming to your page, but they are not buying, I'm about to change that for you, okay? And then the last piece of this course funnel formula is your unique course funnel. This is the 24/7 sales assistant. So you have your course buying list, you have your course sales page, and then you have your unique funnel that is running 24/7. So I want you right now to forget about complex funnels and complicated tech that takes you months to learn. I have simplified the entire course funnel formula for you so that even a complete beginner can take it and run with it. I also said that the real magic happens inside of your sales page, right? And this is because we're going to use something called an internal link chain that forces you to earn more money per customer. And the internal link chain is exactly why and how the system will produce new sales for you while keeping your audience happily served and sold. Now, once you have your course funnel set up, let's say maybe by tomorrow, for example, you can test it immediately with content on your social media to produce leads and sales for your course. And from then on, it becomes completely and fully automated. That means you get to do nothing else. There's no additional work other than creating the content that you love, engaging with your audience, waiting for the sales to roll in. You do this literally one time, you set it and you forget it. The best part is as long as you keep sending traffic to your course funnel, it will keep on bringing you sales round the clock. And that's part of the beauty of this strategy. I want you to think of strategies like this. Like I already said, this is so simple. It makes no sense that coaches are creating courses that are not selling. Anybody can do this. The only reason why you haven't done it yet is because you never had the right information. And that's why I'm here. Your course funnel is a do-it-once deal. It will continue to generate sales for you for any of your courses, and it will do it in a way that removes you from the hassle of selling. So you can generate sales without feeling like you're trying too hard or you're selling your soul online. And this is done for you thanks to your hot buying list and your 24/7 sales assistant. If you're creating content every day, you should be getting sales in weekly Okay, no questions asked. If you want, you can go ahead and set up multiple course funnels in your business right now, just selling different digital products and offers. And that's exactly what I have done for me and my clients. Imagine the impact of your business, your revenue, and your monthly income when you have an automated and repeatable course selling system that doesn't sleep, keeping your audience aware of your offers and buying from you without feeling burned out from sleazy marketing tactics. And I know you've seen a lot of those online lately. And now you can see why I said this is the most effective course selling system that I've ever used. And you should hopefully be able to see why this is significantly going to put the passion back into what you're doing. Because let's be honest, none of us started this online business just to slave away day after day, begging for sales to come in. And if you're still listening to this, my guess is you truly want a change, like right now. You want a better, smarter, and seamless way to get paid for your offers and products online without feeling like you're sacrificing the true essence of life. And this is exactly why the course funnel formula is the first thing that I teach any of my high level clients. And it's the only system that I have used for the past year. It is so insanely valuable that I never reveal the system in a group or like in a free piece of content online, right? In fact, the only time I've ever shared this is in private one-on-one coaching with clients who pay well over $1,500 for this system, literally for a 2-hour call. Of course, I understand that the vast majority of people cannot afford $1,500 for a 2-hour call. And for a long time, I was not happy because I couldn't condense the entire system in a way that was affordable for most creators. That's until now. After talking with hundreds of creators and coaches and running multiple surveys in my business, I found out something really shocking. Most course creators have created courses but are barely making any sales online. In fact, only 24% of creators from the survey had earned between 100,000 to a million naira. And a million naira today is not even up to $1,000. The shocking reality is more than 70% of the coaches who have created a digital product or course have earned less than $100 online, less than 100,000 naira. This is not only sad, okay, it is devastating, especially when it is so much easier today than ever before to make money online. And I want to change that for you. If you have something valuable to share and your knowledge can help people in this world, then I want to help you help your people. This is why, for a very limited time, I have committed myself to teaching a small group of creators and condensing my entire course funnel formula into a simple 3-step system that anybody can follow. Now, I will teach you the entire course funnel formula using one of my clients as a case study. And she's perfect for this because she was initially worried that no one will buy her course. But after walking through the course funnel formula with her, she successfully signed more than 200 people into her program, bringing in over 10 million naira in just her first month alone. Now, inside this training, I will not only teach you the entire course funnel formula, I will also show you my exact 24/7 Instagram funnel, plus the course internal linking system that helps you make more money per customer. And instead of paying $1,500, which is about 2 million naira, and this is what my clients pay to get this one-on-one, you can get access to this exclusive training now for free. Yes, for a very limited time, you can get access for free. And I kid you not, depending on when you are receiving this information, you are getting the rare chance to watch this entire training for free and steal my entire automated course sales strategy. Now, that means today only, you will get access to the entire training at no cost, instead of $199, which is about 260,000 naira, which will be the price when it's officially released to the public. Now, I must warn you, this deal is going away, okay? The price for access will kick in at $199 shortly. So if you're watching this right now, I suggest you unlock your free access right now before it goes away, because this is not going to last. This is an insane bargain when you compare it to the value of having your own 24/7 course selling system. Now, remember, the strategy that I am sharing in this training will make it so easy for you to start generating online income even when you sleep. Now, you can use this for all your online educational programs like your ebooks, your courses, your digital products, and you can keep on selling on automation every single day. But I must warn you, I cannot guarantee that you will get this offer again. And here's why. Depending on when you're listening or watching this, the price will go up. Yes. So if you're lucky to grab free access, then I must urge you to act fast. Act right now, because it will not last. I cannot tell you that this will be open forever, because it will not be. Now, please keep in mind that this is a true, legitimate offer. This offer will disappear. What I am revealing in this training is well worth over $1,500, which is what my clients pay to get this one-on-one. So what are you waiting for? Click the button right now to grab your spot and register to watch this free training right now.